This is your cylinder kit, my friend, and there are few more which I always send. These are few spare parts for Luna if you need backlight. And footrest rubber. This is accelerator, and this is reverse side brake shoe front, and the rear also is there. And this is clutch assembly if you interested in. See, it's new clutch. This is and I have rim also for Luna. These are complete with both the, it's a new drum, not old. These are new drums. Both the drum are new, front one and the rear one. Fixed with spokes. These are red oxide. There is no rust on it from inside or outside. It's just for protection. It's all new. Oh.